is the road to hell. It's all just bits of paper flying away from you. Oh, look our world, take a good look. What goes down here? You must learn this lesson fast and learn it well. This ain't no upwardly mobile freeway. This is the road, so this is the road, this is the road to hell.
Intenso il traffico su Grande Raccordo Largruna, sull'autostrada per Fiumicino e su tutte le statali.
Paikkoja ja ruuhkasuntia pyritään välttämään. Työt kestävät noin viikon ja sitten on autoilijoilla taas uusi illansa.
Op de E14 Brussel-Leuven is er net voor de afrit in Zwerten een ongeval gebeurd.
We have a major problem on all arteries at the moment, gridlocked in the southwestern boundaries to the city. Police are diverting traffic around the area and similar problems in the north and south with the 7 o'clock rush. Police have issued a standard emergency warning.
Which means stay home until the roads are clear.
Autobahn Richtung Hannover noch einmal. Zwischen Bernburg und Hildesheim 3 Kilometer Stau vor einer Baustelle. Autobahn 1 Osnabrück Richtung Bremen.
特別交通情報、東京周辺の交通状態は非常に悪い。特に京葉道路は全くの停止状態になっております。今交通情報を待ってください。
And the police have estimated the people stranded on the M25 west of London should expect to be there for at least another 4 hours. Police also stress the drivers not to leave their vehicles.
Stood still on a highway. I saw a woman by the side of the road with a face that I knew like my own, reflected in my window. Well, she walked up to my quarter light and she bent down real slow. A fearful pressure paralyzed me in my shadows. She said, son, what are you doing here? My fear for you has turned me in my grave. I said, Mama, I come to the valley of the rich, myself to sell. She said, son, this is the road.